Okay, fam, this is in response to the comment that I got on my Walgreens video that I didn't get free products and that I paid $4 out of pocket and I paid $5 out of pocket with the Garnier Fructis, and that I was double counting my registry rewards. No, I was not. I'm going to show you how I roll my registry rewards at Walgreens. To lower my out-of-pocket and to get free items. Okay, this was my first purchase. I bought the Colgate toothpaste, Colgate toothbrush. The toothpaste was $4.50. The toothbrush was $4.50. That was $9. I had a 3-off-1 digital coupon. They brought it down to $6. I had another 3-off-1 digital coupon that brought it down to $3. I paid that $3 out of pocket, but I got back the $3 in registry reward, which made that completely free. So I'm going to roll that registry reward there to go to my next transaction to lower my out-of-pocket. Okay, here's my second transaction. I bought the 2 Garnier Fructis. They was 2 for $8. Okay, I had a $3 off 2 digital coupon that brought it down to $5. I rolled that $3 registry reward from Colgate that I just got from Colgate onto this transaction to lower my out-of-pocket. I rolled that. 3 minus 5 is $2. I paid $2 out of pocket, but I got back the $3 registry reward, which made this completely free, plus $1 money maker, because I got my $2 back now. Plus I got an extra $1. So that was free plus a money maker. So I'm going to roll this registry reward here to my last transaction. Okay, here's my last transaction. I bought 4 of the Oral-B toothbrushes. 4 other toothbrushes came to $14. I had a 6-off-4 digital coupon that came off and it made it $8. I rolled that registry reward that I got from the Garnier Fructis onto here. Only paid $5 out of pocket, but I got back the $6 registry reward right here, which made that $1 money maker. Well, how did it make it $1 money maker, Nisi? Because I only paid $5, but I got back $6. So 5 from 6 leave $1. So that's $1 money maker. You see that? Only paid 5. I got back 6. So that's free plus $1 money maker. You understand what I'm saying? That's why rolling your registry rewards will lower your out-of-pocket. I try not to coupon if I can't get the lowest amount of money coming out of my pocket or free items, because we all love free. I'm not going to lie. We all love free. That's why when I seen the comment, I'm like, that's not right. I had to go back and double check myself, because I know that I did the couponing and I know what I paid out of pocket. When we couponers say out of pocket $3, that's your subtotal. That's your subtotal. The reason why they don't put the tax in, because everybody live in different areas. They in different tax bracket. Here in Alabama, it's 10%. High. Yes, I know. High. So your subtotal should always equal up. If you got them same digital coupons that I'm rolling, if you have the same digital coupons that I have, you buy the same product that I buy, you should pay subtotal out of pocket $3. You should get back $3 registry reward. If you want to do the second transaction, Okay, you go and you get 2 Garnier Fructis. You have that same 3 off 2 digital coupon. That's going to come off. They're going to leave you $5. You going to roll that same $3 register reward that I roll from Colgate onto here. You going to come subtotal $2. $2 is your subtotal. But you're going to get back $3 in register reward. So that's going to be completely free, and you're going to have $1 money maker. So you say, okay, I want to do the toothbrushes. Roll that same register reward from Garnier Fructis down to Oral-B. You buy the same toothbrushes. I think they was $4.50. Let me see. I gotta look on here and see. I think they was $3.50 a piece. Let me look on this receipt. Yes, they $3.50 a piece. If you get the same Oral-B toothbrushes and you have that 6 off 4 digital coupon and you roll that register reward that you got from Garnier Fructis onto here, your subtotal should be $5. And you should get back the $6 in register rewards. Just like here. See my subtotal? $5. That was $5. So this is how I roll my register rewards. This is how I roll them. Here's my receipt. Subtotal $5. That's for the Oral-B. Colgate subtotal $3. Got the $3 register reward. And Garnier Fructis, my subtotal was $2. So that's what I say about rolling register rewards and getting items for free. So I hope this clears it up, fam. And I hope and pray that this helps somebody. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. Give me the thumbs up. Until the next video, comment, share. We're steady trying to grow this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.